Welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 10th of January 2017. So yesterday the market did absolutely nothing. You see the 76% line still drawn in there, taken from the daily chart. The market came back through that and then just traded sideways and then went lower on the overnight, as you can see there. So the market doing absolutely nothing yesterday. I sent a note out, got fed up of watching it, waiting for things to happen, as there was no volatility, and we can see that the market has traded down from the high of Friday, when it had an attempt up towards the 20,000 level. The question I was asked is, how do we know which one is the official? Because obviously ETX, IG Index, all of the other spread betting firms create their own algorithm based upon the real one. Well, the real one is the New York Stock Exchange, and you can find this on Bloomberg. It's the symbol is INDU :IND, and inside of here you will see that the Dow was 19,963.80, not quite making the 20,000. And somebody put a comment on Monday's video saying maybe it's because of the strike price for the options at 20,000. There'll be a lot of people who bought at 20,000 in the hope that those options would get to that level. It's a very good point indeed. But what it also does is tie in with the fact of what I've been going on about. They may not want to get the market to that level until Trump is inaugurated, and it happens to coincide with the expiration date as well. So there is that as well. I also have another chart which I subscribe to CRB data, and this is how the chart looks. So we can see the selling came in on this date. Let me just show you this. That's the 16th of December. You can see a massive spike in the volume there, and the market's been sideways ever since. And there's your Friday all-time high of 19,999.63. This chart only captures the day session, no overnight prices in this whatsoever. So it's like the old days of when the market just traded from 2:30 till 9:15. You can see yesterday the market down there as well. Just going back to PPT in the daily chart there, you'll also see the same thing. Market down. And news-wise for today, what have we got? Just the JOLTS job openings. This is out at 3 p.m. medium impact news item. So Tuesdays the market can be very quiet, as I've said before, generally trading sideways, and today really no exception. I mean, normally Mondays make up and move the market following the news from the weekend. Tuesday tends to be a quiet day as a result of Monday absorbing any news over the weekend. So I would expect the market to be fairly quiet. And finally, we've got the implied volatility at 10.48. This up from 10.45 on Friday, and up slightly given the market drop during yesterday. So I'd expect the weakness to remain in this market going forward, mainly sideways to lower, unless they try to bounce it a bit. But at the moment, there's no reason to have another go at the 20,000 level. And of course, now I've said that, no doubt they probably will. But outside of any decent news, there's no reason to move back to that sort of level. I mean, the market closed yesterday on the official Dow at 19,887, so 113 points off the 20,000 target, with only one economic news item that's medium impact. That's very unlikely to move the market that far, unless something else comes out, of course, because they have to have a reason to justify the move. So that's it for today. There's not a lot else to report. It's quiet. We're heading now towards the Trump inauguration. Let's see what the market does between now and then. That's it for me for today. I will be missing in action today as well. I'm not in the office. I'm going to be out today. I'll be meeting later on, so probably won't be sending anything out if there is a move and you're wondering why you're not hearing from me. It's that's the reason. Right, that's it. I will speak to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.